How you doing? Dave Rodinelli here with MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you for a quick tour through this new 2024 Cruisers 34 GLS. Starting in the aft, this boat has the brand new V10 400 Mercuries across joystick control, skyhook, as well as autopilot. This boat here is equipped with the gray sea deck you'll see. Here in the back, you'll notice this really nice seat, ultra leather facing aft. Of course, you'll notice when the engines are trimmed down, this piece here folds down, so you have a full walk-through transom. This backrest is adjustable, so it can go all the way back to use this as a sun lounge. You've also got a rear-facing seat on the port side. Just ahead of that, on the port side, you've got a freshwater sink, a wet bar, as well as an electric grill and refrigerator. As you come into the boat, you can see there's ample seating in the boat, both port and starboard. Below us, this is an access panel. This has full storage as well as your generator. There is a table that stores here with two posts, storage on all of these seats. You'll notice this seat goes back, so if you want to face sitting forward underway, you can. Double wide helm seat, armrest, an additional refrigerator. And of course, you've got your digital throttles, your joystick, and your well-appointed helm with dual SIMRAD screens and a really nice acrylic dash. All of your controls here will be backlit, SIMRAD VHF radio, Rockford Fosgate stereo. You'll notice above us this hard top, really nice, gives you plenty of get out of the sun. And this does have your optional sunshade, which you can see coils up here. Of course, push of a button, that will go all the way aft. I'll take you down and show you the cabin quickly. Again, 34 feet. This table here does go down. You'll notice a cushion up there. That table folds out so that you do have a berth here. And in the back, we do have another full berth, so you could sleep 4 people in this boat for a weekend trip. You do have your third refrigerator down here. You do have air conditioning and heat. Again, with the generator, you can run it on or off the shore. And you do have a full head with a Dometic vacuum flush toilet, sink, and of course it's a wet head, but it does have a hot water tank, so it is hot and cold. I'm going to take you up to the bow area. You'll notice the the Rockford Fosgate radio, subwoofer here. Again, good job with just anywhere they could put storage, they did. You do have a privacy door, so this door here shuts, this window shuts, so you can be completely protected from the elements. As you come forward, great area up here. You've got seating for 4 to 5 people. You've got a cooler underneath here. You've got anchor locker up here with a wash down, and of course all of your ground tackle. Again, this is the brand new 2024 Cruisers 34 GLS here at MarineMax Boston. For more information, call me at 401-569-3874. Thanks again.